Hello YouTubers, and welcome to another Yorkies Bits and Bobs. Today I'm going to tell you how to install Terrarium TV and show it up and running, show how you get on. And the reason I've got Terrarium TV is because I didn't want to keep messing about with Kodi. Kodi can be a bit of a pain in the arse sometimes with its add-ons and things like that, and not working sometimes. So I had a look around for alternatives, and Terrarium TV does seem to work very well. So I'm quite happy with it. It's got a slight little bug that annoys me a little bit, but nothing major. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you how to install it. I'm going to show it up and running, and I'll just show you a little niggly thing that bugs me. So with that, we'll get on with the video. So first thing you need to do is go to the browser. Now I've already typed in Terrarium TV, as you can see, Terrarium TV, and you want the APK. So just type in Terrarium TV, and Google will find the APK anyway, will come up. So, or you can just type it in, it's up to you. So with this, we're going to go to one called up to down. So just scroll down. So, and then click on that. And there it is, 1.9.2, and then all you want to do is you want to click on download. So I'm going to use my mouse for this. It's a big mouse, but I'm not going to mess about with it. I'm using X92 for this, so click on that for your download. Obviously you're going to get some adverts, but if download doesn't start, I think it has started, just not showing it for some reason. So just going to click on there just to make sure. Starting download. Okay, so it's probably done now. It's not a big file. My internet's quite fast as well. I think I'm up to nearly 200 meg on wireless. I'm not sure, could be lying. But right, we'll come off of there. So then go back home. Make sure that you've done your settings first. If you're unsure, if you go to the Terrarium TV and type in Terrarium TV and go to any of the websites that's shown Terrarium TV, they will tell you which things to turn off so you can do your downloads. Mine already turned off from when I installed Kodi. I never put them back on again, so I've always left them on. So then you want to go to, want the mouse off now. You want to go to the apps. And then you want to go to file browser. You'll probably find I've got a couple of versions. There you go, I've got 4 because I've been experimenting. And you want the 1.9.2, and the reason it's got these other numbers because I've been practicing my downloads. So we'll go to the first one. It's all been done today. So click on Terrarium TV. I haven't installed it on this TV box yet. This will be the first time. So cancel. We want to install. Shouldn't take too long. Right, so this one still runs Kodi. My one in my living room, I don't run Kodi on there no more. I use Terrarium TV, and I have another app on there as well, which I'll do another video if people are interested in a later video. But for now, we're doing Terrarium TV. So that's done. So then you can either go down or open. We're going to open it up. So if you've got that little picture, you know you're on the right channel. See, and there you go. So just tells you what version you got. And in the background, close that. Oh right. Also, when you install it, choose default video. Yes, play recommended. Less video ads. So we're going to accept that, and then it'll probably come up and say it's not installed, and it will give you the option to install it. And I think that does that as soon as you start watching your first video. So up here you've got trending, and then the little box here, this one here, you've got a selection. So you've got TV shows, movie favourites, TV calendars and downloads and settings and blah blah blah. So we're just going to click on movies because I'm just going to show you one. Now let's see. Ninja Turtles. No, Jumanji, that's the 1995 version. So we'll just have a little scroll down and see what's fair. So you get a good selection there. Batman vs Superman, Dawn of Justice, 2016, 2016, where's it all going? Oh, let's do the Dark World 2013 because we know it should run. So try it. So you don't want to click on this, alright? It's this baby up here. So just be careful, you know. Well, you know, it's not going to hurt you. It's just going to be an advert. Don't show again. Alright, let's get rid of this first. So there. Right. So what you want is this up here. So this is the bit that annoys me. You get these little pop-ups, and it's this thing up there you want. Also, if you notice, there's no streams, so you can't see if it's active or anything like that. And what it is when you click on watch up here, yeah, it should come up like that. That's how it should be. So that bit's turned off and it should stay off now. But if you get any adverts come up there, just make sure you click on that one up top. So, and then it comes up with all your streams. So it does your searches, finds your streams, and will give you a list all the way down here somewhere. There you go. So we've got rid of that now. Go away. So here you go. So you're 1.64 gigabytes, Flixanti based. So we're going to click on the first one. I don't know what it's like because I haven't tried this bit. So right, and then you click on it, and then you get your options: play with subtitles, play with, I don't know what that is, download, and download with subtitles, copy, stream, link. So it will download. It works really well, by the way. But we're just going to play. Yes player, see, there it comes up. Yes player, not installed. So you want to install it because it's quite a good little player. And also, if you, the other thing is while it's installing, if you go to the App Store and try and install Yes Player, you will also find there's a lot of different versions of Yes Player. So I find this is the best way to do it. It's a little white circle, yellow bit in the middle, and there's, like I say, there's a few versions out there. So let Terrarium TV find it for you. It saves a lot of hassle. It doesn't take too long to install and download. You can see how quick it was to download, and I hadn't done it before, not on this one. I think it takes longer to install. So there we go, it's done. So just click on done. Right, so we're back here again. So we'll go to first stream, press play, video will start, and hopefully we should be up and running. And there you go. You can also select HD movies only, and it will find them for you. Obviously I can't show you too much for copyright reasons, so I just wanted to show you up and running. So we'll come out of there, and there's your advert. So I find content notice, blah blah. Best way of getting rid of your adverts is just double click on the back button a couple of times. Wait 5 seconds, blah blah blah. Just keep clicking, it will vanish, and there you go. Go back. So just to prove it, we'll do another one just to all about that. Zootopia, sorry. So you get the box come up again. Try it. Please press the play button or long press the enter button on your remote control to play immediately. Now if I click on now, it's not going to play the movie, it's going to play something totally different. Oh, we pressed OK, so that's like the hassle. So, oh yes, the other thing I'll point out, play trailer, which I thought was really handy, and it uses YouTube for that. So if I play trailer, YouTube or browser, so we'll open it and we'll select it always. So click on always. There's your trailer. I'm not going to show you any more on that. So we'll come out there, it goes back to YouTube. Just press back button again, and we're back in there. So scroll it along. Where's my movie gone? Lost it now. Oh, there it is. scroll up here, click on that, get your streams come up again. Like I say, I'd rather see them at the beginning so I know I'm not wasting my time going through it, but that's just the way it works. It seems to work alright. It's only a little niggly. So you've got 1.65 gigabytes. So try the first one, press play and see if it works. Yeah, quality looks good, nice and clear. See that? And that's it. I can't really show you anymore. Like I say, you have got these annoying little adverts, but there's not a lot you can do about it, unfortunately. It's part of the thing, you know. I suppose you're getting it for free basically, so they've got to make the money somehow. So there you go. So that's how you install Terrarium TV. And like I say, I quite like Terrarium TV. Works really well. You obviously got all your series up top. So you got most popular. Let's just show you this bit. In theatres, new HD releases, top rated, blah blah blah. So you just scroll down. So new HD releases, and there you go. So anyway, that's it. Let me come out of there. Oh, and there it is in my favourites list now. So let me know what you think of this video. If you have any comments, please post them below. And if you'd like to see another video on another bit of software that you might want to install on the Kodi box, let me know. Or TV box. I shouldn't call it a Kodi box because it is just a Android TV box. That's it. Like I say, any comments, please post them below. And if you like my video, give me the thumbs up. And if you didn't like it, give me the thumbs down. And please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.